In this question we have a ship sails 8 kilometers east, then 5 kilometers north. How far is it from its starting point? Question like this, the first thing you need to do is a drawing. So we've got a ship starting somewhere, choose a point, it goes 8 kilometers east. Remember the points of the compass and the order they go. Okay, never eat shredded wheat, one way that people remember those things. So, if we start here, the ship to start with sails east, 8 kilometers. So we can put a line in going east, and then it goes 5 kilometers north. So from there we're going up 5 kilometers. And the question is asking, how far is it from its starting point? So the question is asking for this distance here. There are no other angles involved apart from the right angle, so this question is going to use Pythagoras' theorem. With Pythagoras' theorem, each number here you need to square, and it's always best to start with the biggest number. So 8 is bigger than 5, so we do 8 squared, and we will do 5 squared. 8 squared means 8 times 8, that's 64. 5 squared is 5 times 5, that's 25. As we're finding the longest side on the triangle, that's the one that's called the hypotenuse, we add these together. If we add together 64 and 25, we get 89. The final step is square rooting 89. So it's a case of going for your calculator and doing square root of 89, and that's giving us 9.43398. We don't need to write all of those things down. 2 of those things after the decimal point is fine, so 9.43. So our answer, 9.43. Everything else in this question had units, it was kilometers. This will be in kilometers too. Our final answer, 9.43 kilometers.